Check this out, champions. Pickups aren't even trying to pick up the B and the E string. In fact, if I leave the other strings open, sympathetically sounds like a reverb. I think these strings are fake, but I don't think they're a magnetic metal because the pickups are working. So I think we'll change them and see how we do. Well, isn't that amazing? I can feel all sorts of irregularities up the string. These are new strings purchased by the customer, and they're not responding to a magnet at all. I don't know what metal they are, but it's not ferrous. Electric guitar strings that don't get picked up by pickups. That is a new one for me. Alright, got a new set of elixirs on there. So there we go. Let's find out what brand they were, supposedly.
Champions, what are they feeding you? Here's the strings that the customer told me they purchased. $5.70 or best offer. What do you expect? Don't buy strings for $5. There's a reason they cost what they do. There's a reason there's a sort of minimum barrier for entry of decent strings. They're reasonably hard to make, and they don't just make them out of whatever wire they've got available, whether or not it's fit for purpose. But, you know, you pay $5. This person, whatever they are, 125, so that makes me think that they've phoenixed them, their little business. They keep getting shut down. Only 125 on the feedback there. That's pretty lame. And if you've only got 125, 95.6% is pretty fucking lame too. Let's look at the feedback. See all feedback. Negative. 6 negative in 12 months. Wrong parts sent. I don't recommend anything. Bird feeders. They sell bird feeders. Works well. Excellent. So this is a boomer. This always cracks me up. Fucking idiots that don't know how to use eBay. Works well, an excellent postage time. Would recommend it, thanks. And then they give negative feedback. It's like they didn't know you got to click the buttons, the little stars. And yeah, and this seller cares so little that they haven't even responded to it. They don't care about increasing their feedback because they're just out to make cheap sales of dodgy shit and then phoenix it once they get shut down. Go again, start a new account, do it all over again. It's probably automated. They've probably got some app that they've automated to do it. And eBay's complicit. eBay doesn't give a fuck because they make a fee every time you sell it. So eBay's a waste of time. Facebook's a waste of time. Pretty much everything online's a waste of time now. You've almost got to go back to cash and dealing with people face to face because they're just making zero effort to stamp out trolls and scams. So you're better off just literally staying offline. It's sort of the dead internet theory, and it's call me a doomer, but they're doing nothing about it. And if you make a fuss, instead of them collecting their fee every time you get scammed, they get upset at you for actually, you know, creating a fuss. So I hope one day that eBay and everyone gets shut down because they're basically just scam engines that enable crime to happen. They're complicit in crime. That's what it is. So yeah, anyway, that's my rant. So eBay strings, don't buy them. If you buy them, if you take a punt, they're almost always shit. So don't bother. It's a waste of time, waste of effort, waste of money. Just out of interest, since the whole economy seems to be based on just like $1 items now, like competing with Temu and all that bullshit. What else does this dickhead sell? Car ice, word salad, smoking stash, doob, smell proof joint storage. Nice. It's cone shaped too. Stainless steel medical surgery tray. Okay. Headgear strap for nasal pillow. What the fuck is a nasal pillow? Random 12 volt cigarette car lighter thing. How many listings have they got? 1.1 thousand items. 72,000 items listed. This has all got to be automated. They've only got a feedback of 125. How can they have feedback of 125 at one point? You know what? This is probably one of those brushing scam sites where they ship unsolicited packages to you just to up their feedback game. And then obviously you don't give feedback because you didn't buy it. But I don't know. This is really weird. It's a scam. It's clearly a scam. Could I even list 72,000 items with a feedback score of 125? How did that even happen? 25 followers. I'm pretty sure I can only list like 100 items or something. They've gamed the system somehow, or the rules have changed. I don't know. Point being, it's just the whole internet's filled with this trash. It's just a waste of people's time, and it's just a burden on planet Earth. So the sooner they get wiped out, the better. But that'll probably never happen because no one could be fucked. Anyway, that's me. I'm gonna piss off. Oh, actually, that could be useful. 10. Buy now. They don't even have stock. A stone toilet brush? Look at the toilet. What? It's like a ShamWow ad. Before and after. It's not even the same toilet. Bro, what are you eating that you need to clean your toilet with a rock? You should have some more fiber in your diet, champion. I mean, I'm no doctor, but when you've got to clean your toilet with volcanic rock, maybe you should reassess your life choices.